have you been experiencing a lot of noise and commotion from family members, from loved ones, from your partner, friends, whoever, that you have shared your personal journey with, and you thought that they would be a safe place for you to express that side of you and what you're going through, but when you did, you didn't expect it to be a not so healthy, almost feels like an attack. And it made you confused and questioning if it was the path that you wanted to continue on or not. I had a dream about this, and I had asked my guys if this is something that I needed to share with you guys. And they had told me that yes, because some of you guys are experiencing this right now. And you are not alone.